The journey of womanhood is wonderful yet complex, right from being a girl to being a teenager to being a lady, and lastly, a woman. A female body undergoes innumerable changes. Responsible for this is the Iron Lady of hormones, the estrogens, which is the fuel for the feminine engine. Into the fertile zone or the time when a person can reproduce children is puberty, happening between the ages of 7 to 14 years, and its exit is menopause, occurring on an average between 40 and 50 years. हमारे ब्रेन ने ईस्ट्रोजन प्रोडक्शन का स्विच ऑन किया और साथ लाया प्यूबर्टी की बहार, और स्विच ऑफ किया और आ गया menopause. Let's in short call it the hormonal chaos. In childhood, there is no hormonal activity related to reproduction. This suddenly changes at puberty when there is a chaotic hormonal explosion. This is followed by years of monthly periods with a relative hormone balance until eventually the hormone chaos strikes again and brings the lady to the end of her childbearing years. Both the transitions take 5+ years until the body finds its new balance. Every girl has a different pubertal experience and each woman a contrasting menopause. It is all normal. Hormones rising या hormones falling साथ लाते हैं ढेर सारे बदलाव, फिजिकल, मेंटल और इमोशनल. Changes in puberty, a growth spurt. हर दूसरे दिन हमारी बेटियों के कपड़े छोटे होते हैं और जूते फिट नहीं होते. Number 2, the body is taking shape. Girls' bodies become curvier. They gain weight on their hips and their breasts. Sometimes one breast might develop more quickly than the other, but most of the times they soon even out. There is occasional soreness under the nipples as the breasts start to enlarge, and that's all normal. Number 3, the period or the red cycle. We girls have 2 ovaries and each ovary holds thousands of eggs when we are born. During the menstrual cycle, one of the egg comes out of an ovary, begins its trip through the fallopian tube, ending up in the uterus or the womb. When the egg doesn't get fertilized to form a pregnancy, the uterus no longer needs the extra blood and tissue it formed throughout the month. So, it leaves the body through the vagina as a period. Number 4, there can be acne on the face and the back. There can be thick, coarser hair where it wasn't in the armpits and the pubic areas. And there can be different and a little more white discharge. It is all normal. Number 5, the new puberty brain. Change can feel strange. During puberty, we girls can feel confused or have strong feelings which we've never experienced before. We might feel anxious about the changes that are happening to our body. We might feel overly sensitive or easily upset, and some teens lose their tempers more than usual. Sometimes it can become difficult to deal with all these emotions. It is all normal. It's easy to feel anxious or embarrassed about our questions with sex, but we need to make sure we have the right information. जैसे हम मेनोपॉज के नजदीक आने लगते हैं या तो हमारे पीरियड्स हेवी होके जल्दी जल्दी आने लगते हैं कि इतने परेशान कर जाते हैं कि ऐसा लगता है कि बस अब बंद हो जा भाई। एंड साथ लाते हैं ब्रेस्ट टेंडरनेस, या इतने लाइट और दूर दूर आने लगते हैं कि इंतजार ही कराते हैं, या तो अचानक से रुक जाते हैं। इट इज ऑल नॉर्मल। ब्रेन ने जब ईस्ट्रोजन का स्विच ऑफ किया, साथ लाए अनगिनत अजीबोगरीब सिम्टम्स, जैसे कि hot flushes, night sweats, excessive anxiety, changes in the hair, skin, nails, low mood, low libido, dryness of the vagina, joint and bone aches, fatigue, memory lapses, urinary infections, urine leaking and incontinence and urgency, bowel issues, insomnia. One woman can experience one, none, or all of these symptoms. It is all normal. Since changes of the perimenopause begin about 5 to 10 years before the menopause, our daughters usually experience their puberty around the same time. Hence, it gives us enormous opportunity for healing at both ends of the mother-daughter spectrum. See you all soon in another encounter about how to manage these challenges of puberty and menopause through natural remedies, through diet and exercise, and when you need to see the doctor and get on with some medication. Follow us and subscribe to this stream of endless Gyno Gyan. Thank you.